Okay, so for all of these blood types, we are going to be deciding which ones have antigens of which type and antibodies, and overall what donor they can receive blood from. So for your A minus, you have A negative blood, you have A antigen, and anti-B antibodies. So you have the antigens for A, but you cannot receive anything from B because the antibodies are for B in this substance. And since it's a minus, you don't have the RH antigen. For A positive, you have the A antigen, anti-B antibodies. You have the RH in this one because it's positive. So the positive means you either do or you don't have the RH. So actually, I'm going to go ahead on the side and do this really quickly for the RH. So because it's a minus, this one does not have the RH. Because it's a plus, it has the RH. Minus, no. Plus, yes. Minus, no. Plus, yes. Minus, no. Plus, yes. So then for your B minus, so since it's B, you're going to have the B antigen and anti-A antibodies. And then the same thing, you're going to have the B antigen, anti-A antibodies. And then for your AB, you're going to have the A antigens in the B antigens. You don't have any type of antibodies in this one. So you're going to have your A antigens, B antigens. And so the only difference between these two, like all of them, the plus and minus just means the RH. So in this, you're going to have the A antigens and the B antigens. Now, O is where it gets a little tricky because you don't have any antigens, you only have antibodies. So for O negative, you are going to have anti-A antibodies and anti-B antibodies. So, same thing for O positive, but again, the positive just means you have the RH antigen. Alright, so now that we've gone over the antibodies and antigens that they have, I'm going to be doing in a different color now the type of blood that they can receive from. So the universal donor of blood is O negative, so I'm going to go ahead and put that for all of these because they all can receive O negative. This is typically what hospitals have on standby because if they don't know someone's blood type, they know that they can give them O negative and just be fine. So, A minus, you can only get from A negative. And then now plus, since it has the RH antigen, you can get A plus, A minus, and also O plus. And then, so B for the minus, you can only get the B minus. And then because it has the RH antigen, again, you can get B plus, B minus, and also O plus. Now AB minus gets a little difficult because you can only get the AB minus, but for the AB positive, since it has the RH antigen, you can actually get all. So I'm just gonna write all. You can get A minus, A plus, O minus, O plus, B minus, AB minus, AB plus, all of them. And then your O minus, you can only get O minus, so that kind of stinks if you have that in a way because you can help everyone else, but you can't get it from anyone except your blood type. And then for O positive, you can also receive O positive. And that's pretty much it for this.